Power King's all set, ready to go. We checked the oil, topped it off full of fuel, so it's ready to go. The other thing for the type of weather we're supposed to be getting, it's been a while since I fired up the generator. It's been on my to-do list. So we're gonna top it off full of fuel and make sure it's running good. So if power goes out on my line, I have a feeling I'm one of the last people to get it back on. So let's get the fuel on. So it might take a few pulls to get it started. We always like to run all of our equipment that don't get run often out of fuel. So put the choke on, turned it to on. We should probably check the oil first. Take off the air cleaner cover. I would say that's part of the problem. To show up that's dry. I don't know, it doesn't seem like much oil, but this has a low oil safety on it, and so I just topped it off to where I could see it on the threads up on the fill, and we got spark and easy pull to start. Let me show you. I guess I should have let it warm up. There's just some fuel going too. Well, let's see if the spark plug's dry. So apparently tonight I have a project ordering some new filters. That's just some fun with getting the generator going. Like I said, with where we're located, our power lines go right through the woods for 900 feet or so. The illuminating company does come and trim back the branches and stuff, but if a tree falls, I'm sure we'll hear it. So glad this is up and going. It's been a while since I've actually run it, but yeah, we'll be set for a good foreseeable future. So I have this kind of ready to go. So all I have to do is put on my headlamp and come on out and get an extension cord, and we'll be warm inside. All right, so I'm going to park this, and then I'm going to park the Power King and go inside and see what Sparkle and Canon are up to. Thanks to everybody for tuning in. Thanks to all the new subscribers and for finishing up at the end of our video.